made it through security there. No problems whatsoever. What I do find funny is when I've travelled here before, I used to have a bright yellow Nintendo Switch, and every time it would get flagged up in security. No reason other than the fact that it was different. So I've got through with my laptop, through the camera, it's fine. Time to go get a drink, I think. So I've just managed to fashion myself a DIY tripod using the menu here. Again, fantastic drink. I highly recommend coming here if you haven't been here already. I don't know if this is like a one-off establishment or if there's Halo bars darted around, I don't know. But every time I come here, I always make it a mission to get myself a drink. This time I've gone for something non-alcoholic, just so it can be nice and refreshing, and yeah, I've only got an hour on the flight, so don't need to be half cut for that. Welcome to Scotland. So I've just made it here to Glasgow. Just had an awesome flight. It was about an hour long. I met a lovely couple who sat next to me who kept giving me sweets because my ears kept popping. And yeah, just had some TV to catch up on. Really smooth flight. Great landing as well. So really enjoyed that. Now it's time to find this bus. It's going to take me to Buchanan Street. Fingers crossed I don't mess that up. Here we go. Okay, so we made it into Buchanan Street. I didn't cock it up. We want to look for stand 46 now. It should be this way. Apparently mum's here. That wasn't too bad actually. I thought I was going to mess that up, but I did alright. So that's the main thing. Oh shit. There she is. Hi mum. Hello. Hi Charlie. Hi mate. Hey. How you doing? Hey. Hey. Got some treats for you. Hello. Where are we going? Ooh. Ah, where's the lights?
Get off that table. Get off.
Hi.
No, let him get off because he'll fall.
Hello.
Get off that table right now. Get off.
Yeah. Hello. Charlie, what's this? Look. Birthday presents. Look. Little chew toy. Little chew toy. Yeah. He has a habit of sniffing things and then kind of walking away. As do every dog ever. Charlie! Oh, look! Yes! Whee! Say hi to everyone. They smell good. Ooh, there you go. Come on. Oh. I guess I'll eat it then. Don't smell half bad. Should you dare me to eat it? Dog treat.
Oh, I don't know if we
He sniffed it and then walked away.
What does it smell of? Are you recording?
Uh-huh.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh.
What if it don't taste nice to you, why would a dog like it? Oh, you're kidding me. Why would you eat dog treats? Now you get constipated. Or worms or something. Ugh. What the hell?
Did these go out of date? Right, it's got some pigs in a bobsled in it, so. For that alone, it was a sound purchase. I don't feel too good. Well, at least somebody ate them. Check this out. This looks amazing.